How do you ensure that it actually looks like that and doesn't turn into support, which it often does?
So my general rule is we write our playbooks for 80% of the time, they go this way. And I leave room for 20% nuance. And the reason for that is because I've found with regards to, this is a very, very volleyball analogy, is when you are showing up to your customer, whether it goes bad, whether it goes well, we win together, we lose together as a team, and it's always 0-0. Been drilled into me my whole life. It's a 0-0 game. You go in, you prepare, you do your pre-prep call, and you coordinate and choreograph as much as you can going into that meeting or into that interaction with the client, the upsell, the deal, the renewal, whatever it is. At the end of it, okay, like you gave it your best, you leave it on the court, it's a 0-0 game.